Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and today's video is going to be all about bras. I know this video has been a long time coming. I wanted to make sure that I tried different bras for you guys, different price points, and see which ones I loved the absolute most. I found the most amazing bras. These are pretty much the bras in my rotation now. Like, when you have big boobs, like, it's so important to find bras that fit comfortably, look decent, are supportive, because big boobs are just a lot to handle, okay? I wear a size 34 double D and I'm small. I'm only 5'2", so I feel like when my boobs look too big or like I'm wearing bras that are like too lifting or too padded, it brings my boobs like up to here and I just look like so tiny with just this huge chest. Also, during that time of the month, my boobs get really swollen and heavy and painful. And I find that when I have a bra that's more supportive, my boobs feel better. So I wanted to make sure that I found the absolute best bras that I feel comfortable in, and I'm gonna share those with you guys now. I'm gonna start off with the bras on the lower price point first, and then we're gonna work our way up. The first bra I'm gonna show you guys is this nude little baby right here. This is like my OG. This is like when I first discovered Target bras. This bra is from Target and it's from a brand called Warner's. Their bras are super affordable, they feel amazing, and they're around the $20 price point. I know that's pretty good. By the way, pretty much all the bras that I'm gonna be showing you guys, they are not super padded at all, and they're also not push-up bras. So if you wanted a push-up bra, this ain't the video, because I just feel like push-up bras lift my boobs up way too much and I don't like how that feels. But yeah, this is from a brand called Warner's, and I really like this bra because of the price point and because it's very comfortable. And they make an insane amount of different style bras. Like, whatever your need is, Warner's has a bra for you. Like, they make so many different styles. I'm gonna show you guys one more. What I also like about this one is that the band material is pretty flexible and it's kind of like a spandex, and it's going to kind of smooth out those like the little back fat that we get from the bras. It's gonna smooth that out a little bit, not perfectly, but a little bit. So that really helps. And again, I really like the price point. The only thing with these Target bras, the Warner's bras, is that because they're only like $20, they wear out a lot quicker. So I always have to repurchase these. I have them in all colors. I have them nude, white, black, and I always have to repurchase them because they get like really worn out and the cups kind of get bigger, like they wear out, so they don't fit as supportive, the cups. So that's the only thing with them. But if you're looking for new bras and you want to try something out but you don't want to break the bank, this is a great choice to go with. Another bra I want to show you guys, also from Warner's, this one I also purchased at Target, is this little simple, I know it looks like so grandma-ish, but it's very comfortable. This is like my period bra. Like, when I'm on my period, my boobs are really swollen, they hurt, I just want to chill at home and be comfortable, but you still want to wear a bra because, you know, I still got to go walk Max, and if somebody comes to the door or something, you know, I still want to have a bra on. But this is the bra that I kind of go to. It's like a sporty bra. It's comfortable. It almost feels like you have nothing on. I really love this one. And the padding is extremely minimal. As you can see, it's like practically no padding. It just has something there to like cover the nipple area, and so that it's not like just material, but it's pretty much minimal padding. And it's a very stretchy bra. Like, it's gonna fit so comfortable. Like, look at this material. It's like a spandex kind of material. All right, now we are getting into the higher price point bras, and I have to say these are my favorite because they fit impeccably well and I don't have to constantly repurchase them. I'll start off with the strapless bra because this one I have had for quite a few years now and I haven't had to repurchase it yet. I do want to buy a new one in black, but it has lasted me forever. This is the best strapless bra that I have found yet. It's from the brand called Wacoal. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's from the brand called Wacoal, and I purchased it from Nordstrom, and it's an amazing strapless bra. I'll give you guys a tip that the lady at Nordstrom from the bra department gave me when I was searching for a good strapless bra. She told me to go down in band size and up in cup size. So for instance, I wear a 34 double D. So for a strapless bra, she recommended that I do a 32 triple D. And that's because the waistband was going to come a little tighter and stay put. But then you also want to go up a cup size because you're not really wearing your bra size. And it fit perfectly. Her tip was amazing, and that's how I buy my strapless bras now. But I've tried a ton and this is the one that I love the most. It just works for me. It also comes with straps, so you can actually wear it as a regular bra. The next bra, I feel like most of my bras are nude. I'm so boring. But the next bra is also from Waco. This one I left the tag on for the video because I wanted to make sure I didn't forget which one it was. But I have this one in black as well. I'm wearing the black one right now. Should I flash you guys? No, I'll show you guys later. I'm wearing the black one right now. It feels amazing. I love this bra so much. And by the way, if you want to see how it looks with a more fitted shirt, in my video before this one where I curled my hair, I'm wearing a little black shirt, like a fitted little black shirt, and I'm wearing this bra but in black. Amazing. And I wear a lot of like simple plain t-shirts, so I wanted to find a bra that was going to be that perfect t-shirt bra. And by the way, the Target one, the first Target one that I showed you in nude, that's also a really great t-shirt bra, but this one is my favorite. The straps are thicker on this one, so it's really going to support big boobs and keep them in place, and it's not going to like leave you those really bad tight marks because the straps are thicker. You can adjust them if you want. The band is also thicker. So instead of a 2-clip thing, you have a 3-clip happening back here. I feel like when you wear a really big size bra, they don't look so cute when you're looking at them at the store. But I swear, when I put it on, I feel like they look cute. I just feel like when you hold it up like this, you're like, oh my God, it looks like a boring grandma bra, but I feel like it looks cute. Looks cute to me anyways. I have one more bra I want to show you guys, and this one is a bra minimizer. I don't know if you guys have heard of those. I'm sure you have. There's so many different style bras. There's push-up bras, there's super padded bras, they're regular bras, and there are minimizer bras, and this is a minimizer bra. This one is from a brand called Chantel, and this is also from Nordstrom. And I really wanted a minimizer bra because minimizer bras minimize your boobs. Like if you have really big boobs, they'll kind of minimize them. They're not going to be like super up in your face, which is what I love. To be honest, I like how natural boobs look. Like I don't like that super pushed up look where like the boobs are up to here. I like a very natural boob look, and sometimes when I wear a really form-fitted dress, I don't wear a bra and everyone comments, they're like, oh my God, what bra are you wearing? And I swear it's because my boobs look more natural, and low-key everyone wants a more natural boob look. But yeah, I like a more natural boob look, and that's exactly what this bra gives me. It's very natural looking. It reduces the size of them. It's not like so in your face, but they're still big, but they're not like super in your face, which is what I like, because otherwise I just feel very heavy up here. Like I just feel like it's suffocating. My big boob girls will understand. I feel like they tried their best to make the bigger bras look a little dainty and feminine, but it has a pretty lace little design here. I think it looks really pretty on. These bras may not look like much, but they look pretty on. All right, so that is all the bras that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you gain some clarity on maybe which direction bras you want to go in. I wanted to also make sure that I gave 2 different price points. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.